A day begins on a sunlit marina as the yacht architect reviews client briefs while sipping espresso, balancing aesthetic dreams with sustainability goals. They sketch in a satellite office overlooking the water, refining carbon-neutral hulls and modular interiors that adapt to different crews across the globe. Between meetings, they test prototype systems on virtual simulators, ensuring luxury never compromises efficiency or reef safety. Later, they donate a portion of profits to ocean conservation and mentor aspiring designers from coastal communities. The finale leaves viewers inspired by a life where craft, wealth, and responsibility flow together.